So this is day 2. We are at Fort Kochi right now at Old Harbor Hotel. So we're gonna do another POV style. Okay. So we are going to do another POV style photo shoot. So this time, like, I have to take photos in depth, and I'm going to take some good B-rolls. And yeah, let's get into it. So I have never shot anything at Old Harbor. Well, I did shoot with Jaden's Java, but need to do a actual model photo shoot here. It's gonna be epic with some like outdoor lighting and stuff. So now this has to do. Okay, didn't like that frame. Wanna go here, take some like landscape shots. So I'm shooting at f1.8 at ISO 100 and shutter speed at 640. And the lighting is so perfect. Like, I love the patches that it gives here. Oh, a beauty, bro. Yeah. Always forget that I have to crop in for Instagram, so always shoot a little bit more wide so that have some space to crop and the composition doesn't go that bad. Change this. Oh, I love that composition. Need to fix. Okay, I have to move it. This is so freaking heavy. Yes, much better. Oh, that looks so good. It's kinda good. I like the portrait one better. Maybe. This is better. Oh, I love that photo. Look a little bit more better. We're going to f2.2. A little bit more long. Oh, that's good. Oh, yes. Should I turn on the headlights? Yes. Oh, that's so good. That's really good.